Hey there! Welcome to the exciting world of online income generation. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this guide will help you unlock the potential of the digital realm and start earning money online. First things first, let's find your niche. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have that others might find valuable? By focusing on a specific niche, you can become an expert in your field and attract a targeted audience. For example, if you're passionate about cooking, you could start a food blog or YouTube channel. Or, if you're good at graphic design, you could offer your services on freelance platforms. Next, let's establish your online presence. Create a website or blog that showcases your expertise and provides valuable content to your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, tutorials, or any other type of content that your audience would find helpful. Use social media, search engine optimization, SEO, and other marketing strategies to drive traffic to your platform. Now, let's talk about monetization. There are several ways to make money online, including advertising. Partner with advertising networks to display ads on your website or blog. This is a great way to generate passive income, as you'll earn money every time someone clicks on an ad. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on sales generated through your unique affiliate link. This is a great way to earn money without having to create your own products or services. Selling your own products or services. Offer your own digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or consulting services, to your audience. This is a great way to generate passive income and build a long-term business. Freelance work. Offer your skills as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. This is a great way to earn money on a project-by-project basis. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare. This is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others while earning a passive income. E-commerce. Start an online store and sell physical or digital products. This is a great way to build a long-term business and earn a substantial income. Virtual assistant. Offer your administrative, technical, or creative skills as a virtual assistant to businesses and individuals. This is a great way to earn money from home and set your own hours. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses and individuals, creating and posting content, engaging with followers, and running ads. This is a great way to earn money while leveraging your social media expertise. Online tutoring. Offer your tutoring services online in subjects that you're knowledgeable in. This is a great way to earn money while helping others learn. Tips for success. 1. Choose a niche that you're passionate about. This will make it easier to create content and market your products or services. 2. Build a strong online presence. Create a website or blog and use social media to connect with your audience. 3. Provide valuable content. Share your knowledge and expertise with your audience, and make sure your content is high quality and engaging. 4. Be patient and persistent. Building an online business takes time and effort. Don't give up if you don't see results immediately. 5. Stay up to date with the latest trends. The online landscape is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends in order to stay ahead of the competition. The beauty of online income generation is its flexibility and scalability. You can work from anywhere, at any time, and set your own hours. Plus, the potential to earn unlimited income is real. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the digital revolution and start generating income online today. The journey to financial freedom and location independence starts right here.